Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to export an MP4 in Premiere Pro quickly and easily. To export your video as an MP4, follow these simple steps. Go to File, Export, Media, or use the shortcut Ctrl M, Command M on Mac. In the export settings, select H.264 as the format. This ensures your video is saved as MP4. Click Export or choose Q to process it with Adobe Media Encoder. And that's it. Your video is now ready to be exported in high-quality MP4 format. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips.